Marks of 20 students in maths exam are given here, and we have to construct a group frequency distribution table where n is 4. N means the number of classes. To start this, first look at the data. This is called raw data. What do we have? We have marks. Look for the lowest and the highest marks. The lowest here is 0 and the highest out of these marks is 10. So, the lowest is 0, highest is 10. First thing, we will find range. Range is highest value minus lowest value. That means 10 minus 0, range is 10. Now, n is 4, means we have to make 4 classes. So, what should be the size of a class? For that, we will divide range by n. That will give us class size. Class size is equal to 10 divided by 4, which is equal to 2.5. It is 2.5. We don't take class size in decimals. So, we will make the next number, which is approximately equal to 3. So, class size is 3. Now, we have to construct classes. So, the class size is 3. We start with the lowest value. First class we can take from 0 to 3. Next will be 3 to 6. The size should be same in all classes. Then 6 to 9, and next one will be 9 to 12. Remember, the size should be same in all classes. So, now the lowest value can come here and the 10 can come in this class. Now, let us see. First we will take tally. 0 to 3 in this class, this is called lower limit and this part is called upper limit. So, all these are lower limits of the classes, these are upper limits of the classes. 3 will be included in the next interval. Remember this, because it is continuous, there is no gap here. So, 3 will be taken in the next interval. Now, 0 to 3, let us count how many? 1, 2, 3 will not be counted, remember that. 3, 1, 2, 3. So, frequency is 3. Similarly, we will check what is the frequency in each interval. 3 to 6. So, in this case 3 is included here, but 6 is not included. 6 will be counted in the next interval. So, let us start 3 to 6, 3 to 5 we should say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will not take this, remember this. 7, correct? So, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 you mark it like this in tally marks. 6, 7. What is the frequency? 7 here. Now, from 6 to 9 similarly 6 will be included. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, 9 to 12. 9 is there? No, there is only one number left, 10. So, what is the frequency? 1. Check the total frequency. It is 20. And how many numbers are there? 20. So, it is matching with the frequency. This is called group frequency distribution table. Main points you have to remember is find the range, which is highest value minus lowest value, find the class size, which is range divided by n. The class size will not be taken in decimals, we have to take next approximate whole number. Then check the total frequency should be the number of, total frequency should match with this, go to the total number. Thank you.